welcome.
So how was your experience, members of jury?
It was very hard.
Yeah? Okay. So, I mean, it took you like so many days to deliberate upon this decision.
God bless you all. I'm
थोड़े से पीछे हैं
नहीं भाई let me clarify, please. I beg you. I am for the rights of oppressed, downtrodden, victimized, subjugated people of the world. I believe in humanity. I am against all sorts of racism and religious fanaticism. On the basis of religion, I do not want anybody to kill any person having another religion.
Although these are the members of the jury who have declared you not
Thanks
guilty.
very much. They, according to their conscience, they have given their verdict.
If you
I
can
am-
explain how difficult it was
This
for you,
is-
obviously this was about
This
your
is
life and
because
death.
I don't know anybody. I swear Almighty Allah, I don't know anybody. But this is not my credit. Credit goes to Almighty God, who gave me this victory, and I will fight for my cause no matter. I was not in a position having so many diseases. I didn't make any excuse that I cannot come. They will judge it, or the prosecution may understand that I am.
Although, what do you say about the British justice system?
British
In a case we
justice
took very
system,
difficult.
British, as I said earlier,